this x squared common to both sides, this will cancel negative, so the answer is 1 over x. What? This is celebrity instructor Allison, and in this math video tutorial I want to show you how to simplify this problem, and this is under simplification of algebraic fractions. All right, a lot of students can be funny. They will just say that the most funniest thing is that they will have to write down this equation again, 1 minus x squared over x minus x squared. And look at the crazy things they do. Say, okay, since we have this x squared common to both sides, this will cancel negative, so the answer is 1 over x. What kind of stuff is that? Please don't engage in that. If you do this, you're absolutely wrong. So what is the best solution to this problem? Let's just do that in 1 second. So when you have this problem, you have to look on the numerator and also consider the denominator. What can we do to the numerator and also the denominator? It's simple. Looking at the numerator, that is typical, what we call difference of two squares. The likes of difference of two squares, if you have 4 minus y squared. We just need something that have squares on both sides and then a negative sign. That's what we call difference of two squares. Of course, this doesn't have a square, but you can transform this 4 so that you have 2 raised to the power of 2. That's the same thing as 4 minus y squared. You could see that we're having squares to both sides, and also we are having negative signs separating them. That's typical what we call difference of two squares. Whether you have maybe 1 minus k squared, this 1 is the same thing as 1 square. After all, you know that 1 square is 1. All right. So that's the funny thing, and that's one of the tricks that students don't know. Okay. So what happened when you have this difference of two squares? How can you transform them? Like in this case, in this case, is something as taking the negative of this, which is 2 minus y, and also considering the positive of this, which is 2 minus y into 2 plus y. Because if you expand this, you get back this. All right. So similarly here, you just take the negative part of it and also consider the positive part of it. If you've not known difference of two squares, I think this will help you. Okay, let's solve this problem. Look at the numerator. That's the typical difference of two squares I was talking about. By the way, if you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that by the time I upload a new video, you get notification, and please like this video and share. All right, so let's work on the numerator. I will have it to be 1 squared minus x squared, which is essentially the same thing with that. If you check the denominator, I'm saying x squared. That means I can easily factor out x. So you can have x over into, rather, 1 minus x. If I distribute this x across, I will still have the same thing. 1 by x is x. 1 by negative x, that will be negative x squared. All right, so we are still in track. What do we need to do on the numerator? Difference of two squares. Let's apply that. 1 minus x into 1 plus x. We've achieved that. The denominator will still remain what we have just there. All right, what's the next thing we need to do? You're observing something, right? You know, you don't need to think. Just observe. Something is common to the numerator and the denominator. What's that? Yes, of course, you're right. 1 minus x, it can easily cancel. Why should it cancel? Because everything there is operating on multiplication. The numerator is multiplying, denominator is multiplying, so it can easily cancel. Not when you're having negative sign there, you're having negative. Even if you have positive, you do not have the right to cancel this thing. That is mathematical suicide. It's not acceptable. Absolutely, please. Don't do that next time, okay? So what do we have here? This is left and this is left. Therefore, the expression becomes 1 plus x over x as the final solution to this problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to share it, like it, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you get notification. I'm the celebrity instructor Allison, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.